Ready to transform your living room into a private 3D cinema. First, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is a 3D compatible model and that you have active shutter 3D glasses. If you're unsure, check your TV's manual or the model number online. Next, you'll need a 3D movie source. This could be a 3D Blu-ray disc played through a Blu-ray player, a 3D movie streamed from a compatible app on your TV, or a 3D video file on a USB drive. If using a Blu-ray, insert the 3D Blu-ray disc into your Blu-ray player and ensure it's connected to your TV via HDMI. For streaming, open the app you're using to watch 3D movies. Not all streaming services offer 3D content, so check if the movie you want to watch has a 3D option. If you have a 3D video file, plug the USB drive into your TV's USB port. Once your movie begins playing, the TV may automatically detect the 3D signal. If it doesn't, navigate to your TV's picture settings. Look for a 3D mode or 3D settings option. Select it and choose the correct 3D format, often side by side or at pan bottom, depending on your movie. Finally, put on your 3D glasses, turn them on, and enjoy the immersive 3D experience right in your own home. Happy viewing!